Quiet evening out there. It is certainly warm and very muggy again. And as we cool down just a little bit more, we will get areas of fog to form. In between that, we have isolated downpours up in Shawano County and Menominee County, slowly moving east. So some communities tonight even dealing with a little rain. Not much here though in Green Bay. 70 with a southeast wind at 5 over Titletown and Lambeau Field. All is quiet now. Manitowoc, not bad on the fog situation at this hour. A completely calm wind. Air temp at 70, dew point pretty much at 70 as well, and that is why we're going to have some fog. But we do have some downpours beginning to develop, especially in central Wisconsin. You can see these just off to the north and west of the Fox River Valley. So we've had some heavy downpours right on 45, just north of Burnhamwood, in between Anago and Burnhamwood, moving east into Menominee County, some exiting Menominee County, heading into Oconto County. So again, a few spots will be dealing with some brief downpours as we head through these overnight hours. And that's not to say even a few of those could not make their way down through the Fox River Valley and into the lakeshore in the late overnight hours. So just kind of keep that in mind. As that's happening, we have dew points incredibly high, as you see here, upper 60s to around 70, hardly any wind. So it's not going to take much tonight, again, to generate some fog. We'll get that to form, especially from about the Fox River Valley east to the lakeshore. So this is where our thickest fog should be anticipated, anywhere along the lakeshore up through the Door Peninsula, and then maybe as far west as the Fox River Valley. Lows tonight will be in the mid-60s in most locations, about 65 here in Green Bay. Down in Fond du Lac, 66 or so, give or take, and maybe just a smidge warmer there in Appleton. But you get the idea. It will be cooler up north where the air is substantially drier with dew points in the 50s. So only isolated but needed rain chances here for the near term, including tomorrow. Turning cooler for the end of the week, and I do think the weekend will bring the best rain chance widespread. And it's favoring the back half of Saturday going into Sunday morning at this early point. Of course, stay tuned as we make our way through the rest of the week on that. 83 degrees our official high, upper 80s to low 90s, even some triple-digit heat down in the plains. So the heat is not far away. We just don't have a way to pull it in here right now because we have surface high pressure just to our north, steering in more of an easterly wind or a southeasterly wind versus west and southwest. We're on the far northern edge of an incredibly humid air mass. Dew points near 80 right now in Omaha, mid-70s in Des Moines. And so until we can get a strong area of low pressure through here later this week to swap out the air mass, we're going to be stuck in this, but that will be happening, by the way. Big cool down coming for the weekend. So high pressure just to our north right now. We do have a couple frontal boundaries nearby. This next wave of low pressure will come on through. As that happens, that'll help to generate a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. Tonight, we just have this weak little trough in the mid-levels. Enough to kick off a few of these spotty showers. So there we are, 5 o'clock in the morning. See how we could have some of these downpours pushing on through. And then for tomorrow, after some morning fog, again, maybe a flare-up shower or thunderstorm for the afternoon hours. And it's going to be MOTS for Thursday, more of the same. All right, your forecast for tonight, partly cloudy, isolated thunderstorm chance, otherwise some fog will be in the mid-60s. And then for tomorrow, some early fog, partly sunny, and that spotty storm chance will be there for the afternoon. Not the best day on the water tomorrow with that easterly wind component. 1 to 2 footers on the bay. Here's your 7-day planner. Dry for Friday, and then the weekend, while we cool down, and unfortunately, we bring in some rain showers, but we need the rain. I know it's kind of a double-edged sword there. A lot of folks want to do a lot of outdoor activity through the weekend, and you'll probably be dodging some rain showers.